Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Today is March 13th, and what are we doing today?
Brian opening again.
Yes, we are. We're getting, now we're 13 days closer to your birthday. Woohoo! Alrighty, let's get opening.
Here's how we again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this one because I already took it out.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so how many am I opening again? I forgot.
Just one today.
Okay, can I have the scissors because it's really sharp, please?
Yes, you may.
I mean, really solid, I mean.
Really solid?
Yeah, because they pack it up so well underneath.
All right, well, I can't find the scissors right now, so you're just gonna have to try to poke it really hard.
Oh my god.
Got it?
Oh my god, I just smashed it like... Oh my god, it's another penguin.
Another
And
penguin.
it looks like a seal.
Steel? Is that why it was so hard?
Oh
Alrighty, open her.
my, it's a boy.
It's a boy? How do you know it's a boy?
Because penguins sometimes are boys. Oh my god, look, Mommy, feel the penguin.
Hold him up so the Pacers can see him.
Okay, let's see.
Cool. Alrighty, let's see if we can find him.
Let's see who will find
Let me
it.
see.
And then I don't know where he is. Okay, where is he?
Alright. Ooh, here he is.
Oh my
He's in Oregon.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. Is that what penguins make? Is that the noise they make?
I don't know.
All right.
Okay, let me just tell you something, guys. Wait, where is it? This one max, this one max, this one max.
Cool.
How many penguins do I have?
Alrighty, friends.
Tweet, tweet. Thank you, everyone. Watching the video. Bye, bye. Just say like and subscribe.